Okay, something from outer space.
You ready?
Yeah, tilt it.
Ooh.
Every day's a new adventure. Daylights renewed, embracing those who view the enter. Captivated by the vibes of our YouTube channel. Hit subscribe on your YouTube handle, Ian and Tina now.
Okay. Ik wou zeggen hallo mensen, hallo Leute.
Hallo Leute und willkommen zurück bei ein anderer Ian und Tina Vlog.
Ja, solange wir nicht Video machen.
So lang.
Und der Grund ist, weil wir immer noch zu Hause bleiben.
Genau,
Ja.
langweilig.
Langweilig,
Ja.
sehr langweilig und wir haben nicht so viel beschauen.
Nicht so viel,
Ja.
nein. Was passiert
Ja.
in dieser Kurzzeit?
Oh, viel passiert.
Viel passiert,
ja,
oder?
du hast eine Song gelost.
Ja.
Okay. Original start.
Okay. Hello people and welcome back to another Ian and Tina vlog.
Yes, welcome back. We decided to start in the vlog speaking German.
Yes.
Just to add some fun and confusion to our viewers. But what we were saying was pretty much what we're about to say.
Yes. What's happened in the time, and
Yeah,
we've been gone. It's been about what, 4 weeks, 3, 4
about
weeks.
a month
About a
now.
month.
We decided let's do a vlog before we forget our intro.
Yes. I did have to think about it actually.
Yeah. So what's been happening over the time is not much, and for that
No.
reason we haven't been vlogging because
Same old.
we're just at home because of the pandemic.
Yeah.
And not a lot been going on. We
No.
went to a 2-year-old birthday party recently.
Yes,
And that was pretty much the most I would say that
that happened.
you know,
Yeah.
outside of our house.
Yeah.
And we were also invited to a foreign dinner,
Yeah.
which, you know, it was an interesting meal.
Definitely.
And yeah, it was called
Pite.
Pite.
Das ist.
Das ist still speaking German.
That is
Albanian.
meal.
Yeah, an
Yeah.
Albanian
Yeah.
meal. Can't say Albanish. Albanish
Albanish.
is German.
Albanian.
Albanian.
Albanian meal.
Albanian meal.
Yeah.
So let's do a vlog today because
Yeah.
you guys must have missed us as much as
Yeah,
we've missed
we
you.
missed you guys.
And we thought, let's do something interesting at home today.
Exactly.
So,
and also he said in German that I lost a tooth.
yeah, I did say that in German.
Yes.
That's when I said, eine Zahn gelost.
Yeah.
Gelost.
Gelost.
Our
Yeah.
wife for life has broken her tooth.
Yeah.
And in the last couple weeks, we went to the dentist 3 times.
Yeah.
So first she had to go for them to examine it. Second time she went for an extraction.
Yeah, because there's a little bit left in there that needed to come out. so-
Right. And then that has to heal up. And
Yeah.
then an insertion. So now she has a very good smile all over again.
Yeah, so that's another reason why I wasn't on camera, because
They don't want to be up
I
there
look
like...
like I don't even know, a homeless person. I don't even know.
Today's vlog is going to be an incorporation of 3 things.
Yeah.
Wife for Life has suddenly used her pandemic time to become a candle maker.
Exactly.
So she's going to make a candle for you. We're going to show you guys the process.
Yeah.
Second thing, we're going to... this is not in any particular order.
No.
Because I also want
We need to do our face, put our
face
mask on.
mask.
Yeah.
And that bar over there, the infamous bar in our house,
Yeah.
it does need cleaning. And believe it or not, as small as that bar may look,
It's a lot of work.
It's a lot of work because it's glass and everything on it is glass, and we have to take everything off and
Clean it and put it back on.
put it back
and
on.
clean
So-
the glass at the same time,
Yeah.
the glass bottles and things. So.
And maybe, fingers crossed today,
Yeah.
maybe we might have a delivery today. You know,
Maybe,
maybe
yes.
we'll be having an addition, not necessarily an addition to the house, a replacement.
A replacement.
A replacement. So consider that you guys are this living room is famous now, I would assume.
Yeah.
It's YouTube famous. And the new replacement
Yeah.
will be also in the living room.
Exactly.
So you guys will eventually see
Yes. You'll
what
see it.
replacement it is. So without any further ado,
Let's get to it.
let's get what we do first.
Face.
Oh, face. So let's get to it. A little more love, that's what matters to me. 'Cause let me tell you, 'cause all I do is think about you. All I see. So, see,
Yeah.
it doesn't look too attractive.
No.
Look like we've been playing in like charcoal.
It is a charcoal mask.
See?
So, yes. He probably knows his stuff.
Yeah. Well, that was just coincidence. So, while this is doing this thing, it's a peel-off
About 15 minutes.
mask.
Yeah.
We could do the bar. We could take the stuff off the bar.
You
In
could
the
do the
meantime.
bar.
We'll do it. What's that saying?
Huh?
More hands, lighter work, something like that.
More hands make light work, yes.
Or something like that.
Something like that.
I believe me knowing these sayings.
She'll
So,
know.
oh,
Yes.
correct as I
will
believe.
know.
I believe.
Many
no.
hands make light
Many
work.
hands
Yes.
make light work. There you go.
Okay.
All right, let's make light work then. Hund.
So, yes,
That is that.
finished, complete, in how many seconds?
Well, for y'all in internet time,
10 seconds?
it was less than a minute.
Yeah.
For us, it was a good jump. If y'all were looking at the clock, then maybe y'all could see it did take us a while.
Yes.
Sweating.
But teamwork makes the dream work.
Teamwork makes the dream work, baby. Alright, in that case, let's get our new face. Woo. Check that out.
Let's get our new face. Okay.
In that case, let's get our new face. Let's get it.
That's the remnants. Not dried so properly. These bits are still on my face.
Hey.
We're back. Nice and refreshed.
New face.
New face.
Sis.
How does it look? Faces. How does it look? Well, yes, it's my face. 98% better.
Yeah, it's came back.
Yeah.
With the help of Big Man, of
Everything.
course.
Big Man upstairs. Yeah, so we're gonna do a video about it. I've kind of like did a little, stage by stage of
data collection.
Yes.
Yeah.
So we'll do a video about it. If you're interested,
check it out when it comes out. But for now, let's get on with our candle making.
Yeah. So let's see.
Let's see. Let's get it. So, what we have here.
So here's the wax.
And in no time, it will melt that baby down. So, give it a few seconds. Getting a little bit of crackling sound, so I thought it was camera worthy.
It's coming through.
Let's see.
So we already tried one. So managed to get this piece of foil paper.
So in other words, this is our mold.
This is my mold, yes. I had to brainstorm about that. So this cup is like a perfect candle size. So I wind it up in there.
Yeah.
And then I wind it up in the glass to get the kind of size and cylinder shape.
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah.
And then kind of tape it in place. You know.
Yeah.
Try to keep the shape as much as possible. Alright. So on the seam there. And then take the glass out.
Right.
Well, not yet, because it has to sit on something.
Okay.
And this is what it's going to sit on.
That's your base.
That's my base.
Alright.
So we did have a few complications before, but a few.
We smooth out the rough edges before we make it camera ready.
Right.
Yeah.
So when I pour the liquid in, the glass is going to come out, by the way. So when I pour the liquid in, it should hold it.
Look at that. It's like water.
Fucking wax. I know, when it melted the first time, he says, well, where's the wax? I said, that's it.
Yeah.
He says, oh, it looks like water.
Yeah, I thought it was just a pot of water sitting there. So, we had a little bit of complication. We had a big complication the last time.
Big complication.
Because what had happened is when she put what she's doing there, the seal at the bottom.
Yeah.
Because the wax is hot and it's liquid, it seeped out. So I had to go into my scientific universal education creativity part of my mind, and I thought, let's add science and chemistry to this.
Yes.
So the trick was to put ice water in a bowl, sit the mold into the cold water.
Yeah. And pour the liquid in.
And pour the liquid in. So what happened is you get a shock effect when it gets to the bottom.
Yeah.
And instantly sealed it.
So for brains as well as being handsome. I've got it all.
There we go. Almost fully melted.
This is kind of like, I don't know. Okay. Zip my eyes.
No, White for Life wanted to go overboard. She wanted to add like vanilla flavor to it and all that. I'm like, hey, hold your horses. One step at a time.
You always need a wick in a candle. And I don't know if there's any special wick or thread that you buy, so I'm just using this. And so I measure to the bottom,
Yeah.
leave a great amount at the top.
Right.
So that's my string, that's my wick.
Yeah.
So if you all know that, you know, in candle making, that is a special.
If there's a special, I don't know.
Me neither.
You know, the only thing I'm thinking about is, I think the wick may need a little bit of. Well, you say the wax could do it. I think it needs like a little bit of flammable fluid on it or something.
Okay.
You know, no, but I'm not 100% sure. Next thing we put flammable fluid in it and blow up
Blow it up, yeah.
No, so
Okay.
So that's the finished product.
Just looks like water.
Just looks like water. So
now the next stage is I'm going to take the glass out,
yeah,
because you know that's going to crack.
yeah.
And I'm going to put this in. Now my fingers can't fit in there, so I'm going to have to find a way to maybe
Put a little bit of tape on it.
tape at the bottom and
Stick it.
sticking to the side. I don't want it to stick to the side, please.
Okay. Drop it in the middle.
There you go.
Okay.
Oh, I got it sticky side up. So that has to be in the middle. Yay.
Okay. Boom. That works.
So, and then
Tie
I'm
a
going to
little
tie
simple knot.
simple knot, yes. It doesn't need a scout's knot now.
Okay. Yeah.
So,
Then we put some cold water
in there, in the bowl.
in the bowl here. But to make sure that the temperature is correct,
We need some ice.
okay, put some ice there.
So, let's sit this in the ice.
Yeah.
So, maybe you're going to hold it down somewhat. Ooh.
Well, I'll
Okay.
hold it.
Ooh, water's coming in.
All right,
So,
not yet. So you want to pour it first. Yeah.
pour and then sit in the
Yeah.
water.
Yeah.
All right, wait.
Okay. So hold it. Okay. Hold the base. Watch your finger now.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Just let that. Yeah. Let's let that
Hold
rest.
on. Hold on. Get a little bit of. Okay, not too much. Okay. And pour and sit at the same time. Pour. Don't waste time. Yeah. Boom. Keep pouring. Keep pouring. That's it. That's
As
it.
you can see,
As you can see, there at the side, we're
pouring
losing
out.
some. So keep pouring in, because we want it to lock up the base. Good, good. Pour, 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 pour. Okay, hold on, hold on, hold on.
no.
Run the cold water for me. And pour. Yeah. Keep running, keep running. Keep running. Keep running. You can turn it off now. Boom. Now it's locked. Oh, the string came off.
Yeah. Okay. That's good. It's touching the bottom.
Alright, should I?
Leave it, yeah. Just let it hang there.
Look at what happened on the bottom.
It's a nice little pattern.
Look like something from outer space. This is floating.
Oh, Okay, wait. I need something at the bottom to...
Hold on, I have an idea. Hold the camera. So it's a simple knot there, yeah?
Mm-hmm.
And what we're going to do is do that. Yeah? So we're going to take that out, forget that idea, and we're going to put this in.
Yeah.
And somebody just have to hold it there for a couple hours.
Somebody being...
But you get what I'm saying.
So how does the stick come out?
The stick is going to come out and it's going to leave the string in it eventually.
Okay.
You understand? That's why you give it a simple loose knot. And then, hopefully. Yeah, the only problem I'm having now, just get 2 knives or something thick enough so we can let it go. You understand? So, if I put that there, and I put, say, that there.
Yeah.
Let's turn this one the other way.
Okay.
So while that madness is trying to make some sense of itself, we will show you guys.
There you have it.
This was our
One we've done
success.
before.
It looks like a real candle.
It does.
You just wouldn't see the work that we put behind it. But let's give it a test now, because
test
we're
it
not
out.
sure if we need a flammable wick or this will do. So let's see.
You ready?
Yeah, tilt it.
Ooh!
Right? It is working.
It is.
So you don't need any flammable liquid. Just the
No.
wax from the candle on the string is enough. Wait. Let's watch it.
It
Let's
might
see.
go out when it makes contact with the wax.
Let's see what happened. Oh, it looks like it's working. Yeah.
Yeah.
Looks like it's working. Okay.
That's cool.
That's cool. Yeah. $10.
$10 for you.
$10.
Yeah, if you want one. You know, we can send it to you. No problem.
$10. It's use over wax candle. That's what we're gonna call it. Reusable wax
Reusable
candle.
wax candle.
Yeah. Why should I pay $10 for a candle? This is reusable wax. So
Recycling is we're helping the earth.
that
Is it going
is
down?
it's no. It's I can tell by the color that it's getting solid.
Okay,
Yeah. So that's not bad.
cool.
Okay. So blow your candle out. And it blow out like a regular candle.
Yeah. So people, did you enjoy that? Well, I hope the second one turns out like this.
No, I trust that it will.
Yeah.
My only concern was whether or not it was going to stay lit.
Right.
You know, but it does look like a real
It's
candle.
lit. Yeah.
Well, I'll give it to you. It's your, you know, so can show it.
Yeah.
It's the Sebas candle, homemade candle.
Yeah.
We retail it at $100.
Really?
Yeah, the reason why I retail it at $100 is because there's
Unique.
yeah, there's no other candle like it.
No.
You know? And it took too long to
Too long.
be made.
I don't think I'll do it again.
Yeah, so it's a one-off candle.
Yeah.
It will never come back again.
Never.
So there you go. Anyway, people, thanks for watching.
That's it for now.
And in our next video, we will show you the end result of that candle.
Right.
I'm sure it will turn out like this.
I hope so.
In that one, we had a lot more wasting,
Yeah.
you know, than this one, but I can
Yeah.
see that it's getting solid.
Right.
You know, but we'll definitely keep you guys posted on it.
Exactly.
Okay.
I'm proud of my candle.
Yes.
Okay, so
Until next
people,
time.
until next time. Ciao for now.
Ciao for now. We are Ian and Tina. You see the flag from Jamaica. We have video from Dongayard, Europe, Switzerland, all in Asia. I just me and the wife for life.